In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover Gmail account without phone number recovery email. This may seem tough, but Google provides several other ways to verify your identity and regain access. Here's a step-by-step walkthrough on how to do it successfully, even if you no longer have access to your old recovery options. First, go to the Gmail login page and enter the email address of the account you're trying to recover. Once you type in the email and click Next, select Forgot Password. Google will begin asking you a series of questions to verify your identity. If you don't have access to the phone number or recovery email linked to your account, click Try Another Way when prompted. Eventually, Google will present alternative verification options. One of the most common methods is by asking for the last password you remember. Enter any previous password you can recall. Even if it's old, it may help prove your identity. If that doesn't work, Google might ask questions related to your account activity, such as when you last logged in or when you created the account. Try to answer as accurately as possible. If you've used that Gmail on any device, like a laptop or smartphone, you can improve your chances of success by using that same device and network, Wi-Fi or mobile data, during the recovery process. Google detects familiar devices and locations, which helps confirm you're the real owner. In some cases, Google may let you set a new recovery email during the process. If that happens, enter a new active email that you have access to. You'll receive a verification code there. If no recovery email or phone is accepted, and Google asks you to wait 72 hours while they review your request, don't attempt to start over multiple times. It resets the recovery process. If successful, you'll be prompted to create a new password, after which you'll regain full access to your Gmail account. Once you're back in, it's a good idea to update your recovery phone number and email, enable two-step verification, and make your account more secure moving forward. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.